Supercharge your KDP income by print on demand. So in this video I'm going to talk about how to monetize the work that you have already done. So for example, if we come to this author, Alice Cantrell, so this author is on Amazon KDP, of course, but as you can see, he has so many books that doing very well, and I hope it will continue to make him a lot and more and more. But I'm going to analyze his page and his related websites. So for example, this book, Natural Journal, a kid's nature journal, he uploaded on the 22nd of June 2018, so 4 years ago, and it's 8.9 and it has 4.5 star reviews, more than 300 reviews, and it's 51 ranking, 51,000 on the ranking. And this one is also very good, 169. This one 113, better one, 203. This one is too high a little bit, and this one 9 million, 5 million, 238, 364. So as you can see, there's like 4 or 5 books that has ranking less than 300,000, which is very good. But as you can see, there is a theme. This publisher has a theme, like the old theme of small animals, insects, butterflies, and maybe fish. So I think the theme is clear on his books. So as you can see, his theme is like the old theme, vintage, and I have uploaded a video about it and how you can find images like this completely for free, and you can find millions, 1.3 million images for free. Check that video in the corner. But now, if we search about his name on Google, as you can see, there is multiple websites that we have. So I'm going to go to few of them. So the first one is his website. Its name is Twing and Moth. So this is his website, and as you can see, it has a list, shop, bookish, about, my word, and so on. So for example, if we go to the shop, it will lead us to Etsy.com. So this guy has a shop on Etsy.com, and as you can see, they are the same theme that he used for his KDP. So for example, this one, fishing log, and if we try to see here, yeah, this one, fishing log, the same book, it's 8.95, the same publisher, and here, as you can see, it's 5.6. but this one, digital fish log for kids, half page size, fresh water, cover art, A4 and letter size, so it's only $5.6. So it's much way better in Etsy. Maybe he's making more money on Etsy because the royalty that he get is more than KDP, I don't know. But what I know, that on his account, Twing and Moth, he has more than 22,000 sales. Guys, this is insane. 22,000, and most of them are revenue. So maybe, so for example, this one is $18, so it's very expensive. It's not maybe expensive for the product that you are getting, but I mean, he will get higher royalties, and he's making very well. 22,000 is very good, and he has 5 stars reviews. So he's making stickers, books, journals, logbooks, and so many other things, as you can see. And the good thing that he's monetizing the same work. So the same work that he has already done it here, and he has uploaded here, and it's making money. As you can see, the ranking are very good here, the first couple ones. The same work, he's uploading his work, the same work he's here, and he's making 22,000 sales. This is very good. So yeah, as you can see, Twinga and Mode is a star seller, smooth dispatch, speedy replies, rave reviews. So yeah, and there is a category and you can contact the shop owners, and there is the items that he have sold. So this is the website on Etsy. But is that enough? No, you can make more money, multiple multiple streams of income from the same work by supercharging your work and your income. So for example, he uploaded on Waterstones. So here is his book, Fishing Logbook, and it's 6.84. The Canon Restone publisher usually dispatch within 10 working days. So yeah, the same cover, the same book, I think, Fishing Log, a kid's fishing log, and it's on Waterstones. So this is another website, another stream of income. Another one is AB Books. So this is a website, as you can see, that sells items like books, and it's in the UK, I think. So he uploaded also the Nature Journal, and maybe he's making some money from this website. So hardcover first edition, maybe he's not making a lot of money from this website, Waterstones and AB Books, but from Etsy he's making a lot of money, and I'm glad that he's making a lot of money. So yeah, and another website is Threat Books. So Threat Books, he has his books also right there. So Garden Journal, Math Notebook, Nature Themed Word Search, Nature Wide Road Line. So yeah, the same books, the same author, the same theme, as you can see, is on this website, Thrift Books. So what I'm trying to say is the same work that you have already done, you can monetize it, you can diversify your work, your streams of income to other websites, from other websites. So you don't rely on one website. I know that KDP, Amazon KDP, has its own traffic, so you can just upload it and you make a lot of sales without you need to put ads or traffic from other websites or from your channel or from Facebook ads. So yeah, it has its own search engine, and it's very powerful. Many people are buying and it has high demand. It's Amazon. Amazon is Amazon. So yeah, but these other websites, maybe you can make more royalties here. So you can link your account, your KDP account, to your Etsy, for example. So, or maybe the opposite. Maybe you are making money here on Etsy, and then you send your traffic to Amazon KDP, so you make more and more money. So this is the point, that the same work that you have already done, you diversify it to other streams of income from other websites. And there's many other print on demand websites, like for example Redbubble. It's a very famous one and easy, very easy to use websites. Redbubble, you just upload your picture, the page, and it will be printed on anything you want: t-shirts, hoodies, stickers, mugs, and so on. And the same thing on Teespring. So you have so many websites that you can upload your work on and supercharge your income. So now, if you want to know how you can get this image, this type of images, this theme, vintage, the old theme from insects, fish, and butterflies, and so on, check that video. There is more than 1.3 million free images that you can use completely for free. So check that video right there. Thanks for watching, and see you.